One of the known issues with our new house was a seriously undermined, cracked and broken driveway. It figured into the asking price and was challenging to drive up. Finally, after waiting for a stretch of fine weather, the concreters were ready to start working. Well, obviously this bit wasn't ready to crash and break. After clearing out the old concrete, they started preparing for the new by bringing in fill to level the ground under the driveway where it had eroded or subsided away. Not bad progress for one day.
Sorry, little tree, I think you're alright.
Day 2 started by drilling out 1 metre, that's 3 feet, deep holes to create a solid foundation for the new drive and to support a sidewall against future subsidence or erosion. The sidewall and new gutter were poured first. Using the front-end loader bucket is a great solution, as there'd be no room for a concrete pump in this setup, not without closing down the entire street for hours. But it does take a lot of buckets to do the side wall. A few hours later, at the end of day 2, there's a nice new solid edge to the driveway. Day 3 starts with a solid pack down to ensure the new driveway goes on a solid, well-prepared surface. Time for some reinforcing to be placed. No way is this slab going to break. Ready for cement. And here it comes. The first bucket of quite a few to fill out the drive. It didn't take anywhere near as long as I expected. And done. Only a week before we can drive on it.